In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background image opacity in Wix. Whether you're aiming for a subtle visual effect or a more dynamic look, adjusting the transparency of your background image can make a significant difference in the overall presentation of your website. To get started, open your site in the Wix editor. Once you're in the editor, take a look at the left sidebar. You'll want to find and click on Site Design. Sometimes you might only see an option labeled as Page Background, but don't worry, both options will get you to the same place. This is where you can choose the particular page whose background you want to edit. It's important to ensure you're on the correct page, especially if you have multiple pages on your site that you're fine-tuning. If you haven't set a background image yet, here's a quick guide on how to do it. Click on the Image option. From there, you have the choice to either upload an image from your device or select one from the vast collections provided by Wix or platforms like Unsplash. This flexibility allows you access to professional and diverse images if you're looking to create a specific theme or mood. Once you've selected your image, click Change Background to confirm your selection. Now, with your background image in place, direct your attention to the Settings option. Often it might be labeled Settings Image, or simply accessible via a Settings button shown around the background preview. Clicking on this will open up a range of settings specifically for your background image. Here, you'll find an opacity slider. This slider is your primary tool for altering the transparency of your image. By dragging it left or right, you can make the image more transparent or more opaque, depending on the effect you're trying to achieve. A lower opacity will make the image more see-through, allowing any elements behind it, like text or other graphics, to stand out more. On the other hand, increasing the opacity can make the image more vivid and central to your design. As an optional feature, Wix also allows you to set a color behind the image. This comes in handy if you decide to make the image more transparent, as the color will show through, adding depth or contrast to your design. This blend of image and color can significantly enhance the aesthetic appeal of your website's background. After you're satisfied with the adjustments, it's a good idea to preview your work to see how these changes look in real time. If everything appears as you envisioned, go ahead and hit Publish to make your changes live. By following these steps, you should effectively alter the background opacity, bringing your creative vision for your Wix site to life.